Everest is incredibly excited to announce its line of leather watch bands and accessories designed for the Panerai Luminor 44mm and the Luminor Marina. The new Everest leather series for Panerai is Swiss-made and finished in traditional French style using Italian vegetable tanned calf leather with a hypoallergenic lining. The strap itself is offered in the standard length of 80mm by 120mm, including 7 sizing holes, and we're offering 5 different color and finish options. Black leather looks sleek with contrasting ecru cream stitching. Saddle tan leather's masculine finish goes great with almost any Panerai watch. Chestnut Brown gives a refined, vintage look. Praline Brown is a bit weathered and adventurous. And classic embossed brown Alligator is sophisticated and timeless. The curved end design utilizes an ABS plastic insert to seamlessly connect to the Panerai case. Our included Panerai style screw ensures a perfectly tight fit with zero jarring, while the leather material covers it beautifully and adds a unique look to your watch. Each detail, including the buckle, cannot be overlooked. Our own 22mm buckle, offered in both a brushed and polished finish, is made of robust 316L stainless steel and mimics the Panerai style look of the end link, securely attaching it to the strap with a precisely machined screw. This combination is a fitting tribute to the original Panerai style. Everest has been the trailblazer when it comes to closing the gap between the case and replacement strap of Rolex and Tudor watches, and we're proud to now add Panerai to that list. Comfort, a seamless gap-free connection to the Panerai watch case, and fantastic build quality are all once again achieved with our Swiss-made curved end leather strap series for Panerai.